All, Department of Electrical Engineering for System Laboratory. In that experiment number 4, ABCD parameters of transmission networks. Okay, so in that long transmission line or medium transmission line or short transmission line, we are calculating the ABCD parameter to determine the efficiency and regulation. It requires the ABCD calculations. Okay, so that complex network can be calculated very easy by the help of the two-port networks. Okay, so from that here main aim is to calculate the ABCD parameter for distributed connection as well as the nominal T connection. These are the two ABCD parameters we are calculated. So from that main operators are open circuit test and short circuit test. We are calculating the ABCD parameters. So these two are very important. So for open circuit test means the either sending end or receiving end is open. Okay. So for a open circuit test, we are giving the rated voltage, right? So the rated voltage is 0 to 300 volts moving iron type meter, and ammeter is 0 to 10 ampere moving iron type. Similarly, for short circuit test, we are apply the rated current, right? So that the voltage is voltmeter required is very lesser value. So that is 0 to 30 volts MI. For ammeter is 0 to 10 amps. The rated current we are applied for the short circuit test. Okay. So the theory is for open circuit test and short circuit test. For theory, by using the open circuit test, for a secondary is open circuited, right? We are giving the secondary is open circuited, and similarly the receiving end secondary short circuited. Similarly the primary open circuited and short circuited. From that we are calculating the ABCD parameters. Okay, so these two equations are generalized equations. There's a Vs is equal to A into Vr plus B into Ir, and Is equal to C into Vr plus D into Ir. So this is the general two-port networks, but in a long transmission line the receiving end current is right negative. Okay, so receiving end current is negative. So Vs is equal to A into Vr minus B into Ir, Is equal to C into Vr minus D into Ir. Okay, so actual two-port networks, but here the positive. Okay, so Vs equal to A into Vr plus B into Ir, Is equal to C into Vr plus D into Ir. So here Vr Ir is the receiving end voltage and receiving end currents. Vs Is is the sending end voltage and sending end currents. Okay, so here the impedance measurement on the sending end side. The impedance measurement on the sending end side. So you can see the circuit diagram here. So that you should know the idea. Okay, so this is a circuit diagram for open circuit test. We are calculating the ABCD parameters. Okay, so this is the open circuit. The parameter is open circuit. Open circuit means the receiving end voltage is 0, right? The open circuit, right? The receiving end voltage is present. The receiving end current is 0. So here apply the rated voltage for the primary side. So for a transmission line. So here ABCD parameter. Here the ABCD transmission line model. So we are apply the rated voltage for the primary side, and secondary side is the open circuit. Open circuit means the receiving end current is 0. So that the receiving end current is 0. Okay, here receiving end current is 0. IR 0. So Vs equal to A into Vr and Is equal to C into Vr. So Vs by Is is the impedance. So that is sending end impedance. Vs by Is is the sending end impedance. So A by C. A by C. Similarly, the sending end is a short circuit. Sending end is a short circuit means the voltage, receiving end voltage is 0, right? So receiving end voltage is 0. So receiving end voltage Vr is 0 means A, this component is 0, here also 0. So Vs equal to B into IR, Is equal to D into IR. So that the impedance is Vs by Is. This impedance is sending end impedance for short circuited. Okay, sending end impedance for short circuited. Okay, so that's the ZSS, sending end impedance for short circuited. So that B by D, this is a B by D, and previous is a by C, now B by D. So previous is the receiving end is a open circuit. Receiving end is a open circuit. We are calculating the sending end impedance. So that is a ZSO. ZSO mean the secondary is a open circuit. Primary, we are calculating the primary impedance. That is a ZS means ZSO. ZSO means that. Okay, similarly ZSS means the secondary short circuited. Secondary short circuit means VR is 0. Okay, then you are calculating the sending end impedance. So ZSO and ZSC you are calculated. ZSO is equal to what? A by C, and ZSC is equal to what? B by D. Okay, so these are the two parameters for where we are open circuit and short circuit for the receiving end. Okay, So short circuit means we are giving the rated voltage, rated current. Okay, so these are the two parameters. And similarly, we are calculate the measurement of impedance on receiving end side. So measurement of this measurement of impedance on receiving end side means the for either open circuit or short circuit of the primary side, either open circuit or short circuit of the primary side means ZRO. ZRO means the receiving end impedance at open circuit or sending end. So sending end is open circuit. So sending end is open circuit means the IS is 0, right? So the IS is 0. So why? Because the sending is open circuit, IS is 0. So IS is 0. Okay, this is IS 0 where this is will get there is a sending end is open circuit. Similarly, ZRS means sending end is short circuited. So sending end is short circuited means the Vs is 0, right? So Vs is 0 is equal to A into Vr plus B into IR. Similarly, this is 0, C into Vr plus D into IR. From these two equations and previous equations, then you can calculate the what is A, B, and C. Okay, so that you'll get the ABCD parameter. A equals square root of ZSO. ZSO means primary impedance. Okay, sending end impedance for open circuit of secondary. ZSO. ZSO means that is a word. ZSO. ZSO means what? The secondary is open circuit. Okay, secondary is open circuit and the sending end impedance ZSO. And ZRO means the receiving end impedance. This is a receiving end impedance. The sending end is open circuit. The sending end is open circuit minus ZRS. ZRS means the receiving end impedance. The receiving end impedance and sending end is short circuited. Sending end is short circuited. Okay. So the second subscription is open circuit or short circuit either. Okay, so first frame is where you are calculating the impedance. This is sending end impedance, this is receiving end impedance, this is receiving end impedance. Okay, whenever you are calculating the impedance for sending end or receiving end impedances, corresponding other side is open or short. Okay, so that is a A. Similarly, B calculation ZRS. ZRS means the receiving end impedance for a primary short circuit. So square root of ZSO by ZRO minus ZRS. That is a B, A, B. And similarly C. C equal to 1 by ZSO, square root of ZSO by ZRE minus, okay, ZRO minus ZRS. So these are the A, B, C, D parameter formulas. Then you are calculate the D. D is equal to A equal to D, right? This is symmetry. A equal to D is a symmetry. AD minus BC equal to 1 is a reciprocity. Okay, so these are the formulas. These are the formulas, and this is a circuit diagram. So circuit diagram for we are calculating the primary side impedance. So primary side impedance means sending end side impedance. So receiving end either open circuit or short circuit. Okay, so either open circuit or either short circuit. So sending end impedance means ZSO and ZSS. Okay, ZSO means sending end impedance calculation for secondary is open circuit, receiving end is open circuit. Okay, and ZSS means the sending end side impedance and receiving end is short circuited. Okay, so these are the circuit. We are giving the voltmeter 0 to 300 volts MI as well as the okay 10 amps. This is single phase we are taking. Okay, and the current ammeter. This is a wattmeter, power factor meter, and we are calculated. So voltage by current is the impedance. The sending end impedance whenever receiving end is open circuit. Similarly, the 230 volts we are applying the single phase voltage. Okay, 230 volts. There is a 300. Okay, for a short circuit test we are applying this rated current. We are applying the rated current means generally the rated current of the hour is 5 amps only. Okay, so maximum 5 amps. The voltage is 0 to 30 volts. We apply the by the help of the auto transformer. We apply the 0 to 30 volts. The maximum current will close 5 amps. This is a rated current. So that the voltage by current is the impedance. What impedance here? The sending end impedance whenever the receiving end is short circuited. Okay. So that we are calculating the ZSO and ZSS. We are calculated. Right. Similarly, now we are giving the supply for receiving end side. We are giving the supply for receiving end side, and sending end is open circuit or short circuit, either open circuit or short circuit. Okay, so we are applying the by the help of the single phase auto transformer. We are applying the voltages 230 volts 50 hertz for receiving end side now, and sending end is open circuit means ZR is the receiving end impedance for open circuit, ZRS. Okay, ZRO and ZRS. ZRO means the receiving end impedance we are calculated for open circuit of sending end. This is open circuit of sending end. We are applying the rated voltage 0 to 300 volts, and we are measuring the ammeter, so that the voltage by current is the impedance. Okay. Similarly, you are applying the receiving end side, you are applying the voltage for rated current. Now sending end is the short circuited. Short circuit means short circuit current. Rated current is 5 amps. We are applying the 5 amps by the help of the auto transformer. The corresponding voltage is base. So then you can find out the V by A. Voltmeter, short circuit voltage by short circuit current is the impedance. What impedance is? ZRS means the receiving end impedance at short circuit condition. So we are calculated for ZSO, okay, ZSS and ZRO and ZRS. We are calculated. From that we are calculating the A, B, C, D parameters. Okay. So these are the procedures. So connect the circuit as shown figure and set to the voltmeter using variant and note VSIS power factor meter reading is the sending end side calculation of impedance. So connect the circuit figure 2 short circuit test on SC side, open circuit and short circuit. Then you can calculate the VSIS and voltmeter reading. Okay, similar positions for receiving end. You apply the voltage at receiving end side, and sending end is open circuit and short circuit either. So then you have tabulated the results. So open circuit test we are applying the rated voltage and corresponding current. Okay, short circuit test rated current we are applied and short circuit 10 amps. Okay, and similarly open circuit test and short circuit test for receiving end side. So open circuit test we are applying the rated voltage corresponding current, and we are apply the short circuit test for rated current for corresponding current. So voltage by current is impedances. So this impedance is ZSO, this is a ZSS, and this is a ZRO and ZRS. And here you know the ABCD parameters. Okay, so that's A equal ZSO by ZRO minus ZRS, and B equal ZRS square root of ZSO by ZRO minus ZRS, and C equal 1 by ZSO square root of ZSO by ZRO minus ZRS. So you can substitute all the values, then you can calculate the ABCD parameters. A equal D. Okay. So we are calculated here the standard A equal 0.9891 and B equal 1.9782, C equal 0.0069 and D equal 0.9891. These are the standard values. Okay, so these are the external ABCD parameters, and then we will see the practical experiment. Okay, thank you very much.
As per circuit diagram, we are calculating the ABCD parameters of long transmission line model. So you can see this is the working model. Okay, long transmission line. So this is the sending end. This is the transmission line model, and this is the receiving end model. Okay. So each session, you can see the sending end. Here sending end is the wattmeters and ammeters and voltmeters. Okay. So you can see the supply here. So this is a 3-phase transformer. In the 3-phase transformer, this is the input R, Y, B and neutral, and this is the output end R, Y, B and neutral. So from that output, we are taking the single phase supply. So you can see the ABCD parameter calculation. First you should know, already we are discussed in manual. So in we are giving the supply at sending end, right? So receiving end side is the you can connect the open end as well as the short end. Okay. So you are giving the sending end supply. We are calculating the ZSO and ZSS. ZSO means the sending end supply, the receiving end is the open circuit, and ZSS means the sending end supply, the receiving end is the short circuit end. Then we are taking the readings of voltmeter and ammeter readings and wattmeter readings. Okay, so now I am discussing on only the sending end side supply, and receiving end is the open end and short end. So that I am explaining. So you can see here single phase supply from the auto transformer. So here single phase supply is R phase and R2 neutral. I am taking the R2 neutral. So R2 ammeter, here R2 ammeter to wattmeter M and MC shorted, and L line to R phase of the transmission line model. Okay, and here V is there, that V is connected to the neutral. Okay, and I am taking the voltmeter across the R to N is the single phase supply, R to N is the voltmeter. Okay, so this is the transmission line model. So I am taking the R, Y, B and neutral is the long transmission line. Each station have a 10 km. So total is the 10 stations. 40 kilometers, the total is the 10 session, means LC, total is the 10 LCs. So total is a 400 kilometer long transmission line simulation model here. So here I am taking the capacitor is a shunted, means the long transmission line we are taking the capacitor parameter is consideration. For short transmission line, we are not considering this parameter. Why? Because the voltage is very less. So medium transmission line, long transmission line, we are taking the shunt parameter. Due to the effect of this, the Faraday effect will be present in the receiving end. Okay, so that I am taking the single phase supply R to N and I am connecting the model. Okay, and after that the receiving end, this is the load end, the receiving end, I am calculating the open-ended line now. So R2 voltmeter and the voltmeter another point is connected to the N. Okay, so here I am taking the sending end supply and receiving end is the open end. Then I am connecting the sending end supply, the receiving end is the shorted. Okay, so I am applying the rated voltage at the sending end. Then I am taking the voltmeter readings is the receiving end as well as the sending end voltmeter and ammeter and wattmeter readings. Okay. Now start the experiment. So on the switches, so this is RYB switches. Okay, we are connecting the single phase supply by the help of the variac. So auto transformer, we are applying the rated voltage 230 volts. Okay, so you can see the 230 volts per voltmeter. Okay, so you can apply the rated voltage of the 230 volts. Okay, so accordingly you can see the ammeter also. Accordingly you can see the wattmeters. Okay, and receiving end is the open circuited. At receiving end is open circuited and you can calculate the open circuit voltage. Okay, so you can apply the rated voltage is the 230 volts at the voltmeter. Okay, you can see the voltmeter readings accordingly variac. Okay, so you can see the wattmeter reading also for open circuit voltage and currents as well as the ammeters. Okay, so this is a 230 volts. So we are applying this is the sending end voltage, this is the sending end current and wattmeter corresponding. Okay, so you are applying the rated voltage at sending end and sending end currents of the transmission line model, and you can see the receiving end open circuited voltage. That open circuit voltage is 231.2. We are giving the voltage is 230.3. The receiving end voltage is 231.2. So this is a variation due to the effect of the shunt capacitance. We are achieve the voltages more voltage as compared to the sending end. Why? Because that is the Faraday effect will achieve. Okay. Previous we are calculating the rated voltage. Okay, receiving end is open circuited. Now we are giving the supply at sending end. Receiving end is the shorted through the ammeter. Okay, so rated current is 5 amps. By the help of the auto transformer, we are applying the rated current. Okay, so the rated current of the this transmission line model is a 5 ampere. Okay, so by the help of the auto transformer, we are applying the rated current. Okay, rated current. So this is a 5 amps. You can observe the ammeter readings. You can observe the ammeter reading 5 amperes rated current. Corresponding current you can measure the voltmeter readings and wattmeter reading. Okay, so this is a 5 ampere. Okay, 5.21 is the rated current. So corresponding you can observe the voltmeter reading is a 10.9 and corresponding the wattmeter readings. Okay, so this is the receiving end. You can see the receiving end also. This is a 5.3 is the receiving end short circuit current. Okay, then after completing the experiment, again the auto transformer is the initial position. You can vary the initial position. Okay, so these are the precautions. So you can see the values also. Okay, 0. So then turn off the switch, circuit breaker. Okay, now we are giving the supply at receiving end. Then sending end is open end and sending end is short end. Okay, then you can calculate the ABCD parameters calculation. Okay, so now we are giving the supply at sending end side. So that is R and Y, R phase and neutral. So from R phase to ammeter, ammeter to wattmeter M and MC shorted and L to R. Okay, and V is neutral. Okay, and voltmeter across the phase and neutral. The voltmeter is here we are connecting the voltmeter one phase R2 and N. Okay, and you can connect the transmission line model. Okay, and this is the open end. This is now the sending end is act as a open ended. Now this is the open ended across the voltmeter. Okay, then you can start the experiment. Okay, now experiment, you can see the experiment, the supply. So first precaution is the auto transformer is minimum position. So keep in mind this is the precaution, minimum position, and then start the switch. Okay, and slowly vary the variac, and you can observe the voltage for rated voltage 230 volts. Okay, so the 230 volts you can see the voltmeter. So you can always observe the voltmeter is 230 volts, not greater than 230 volt. This is a precaution you should keep in your mind. And rated voltage and rated current. Okay. So now this is the rated voltage. We are applying the rated voltage is the 230 volts. Okay. So the 230 volts. Now this is the 230 volts of the receiving side. We are giving the supply at receiving side. So corresponding voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter, you can take the readings and you can see the open circuit voltage. The open circuit voltage is 231.2. Due to the effect of shunt capacitor, the voltage is this much. Okay, we are giving the supply at receiving end now. Okay, similarly, you can give the supply at the receiving end. The sending end is the shorted. Next, okay. Okay, now giving the supply at receiving end, and now sending end is shorted. So R phase to ammeter, ammeter to neutral. So shorted through ammeter, it must be shorted. Okay. So here you can keep in your mind the rated current is 5 amps only. Okay. So here on the switches, and before on the switches, the auto transformer is minimum position. Okay. So now vary the auto transformer slowly, and you can observe the ammeter. Okay, so whenever the vary the auto transformer suddenly raises the currents. Okay, so here you can take the precautions. Okay, you can see the ammeter reading is the 5 amps is the rated current. This is the short circuit current. Okay, so this is the 5 amps. So the correspondingly you can take the readings of sending and receiving end side, the voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter and short circuit current. That short circuit current is 5.22 amperes. Okay. After completion of this experiment, again slowly reduce this knob. Okay, auto transformer knob to the initial position. Then after switch off the experiment. Okay. So this is the ABCD parameter calculation of supply sending end side. We are connecting the supply at sending end side. Receiving end is open end and short end. And now the receiving end side is giving the supply, and sending end is open circuit and short circuit. Okay, these are the 4 experiments of calculation of ABCD parameters. Okay.